Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank the Honourable Member for this question. But very briefly, the implementation of the JE report that the Honourable Member was referring to has been completed in 2015, where government allocated $27,018,089.75 was allocated to the Fiji Police Force. And the payment was carried out in 3 phases, Mr. Speaker, sir. First in April, an amount of $16,528,440.63 was paid out. And of course, in August was the second phase, involving an amount of $10,154,253.59. And the last payment was in October 2015, involving $385,000, $355.53. So the implementation of the JE report that was referred to by the Honourable Member has been completed in 2015, again coming to a total of about 25 million. I've mentioned from the initial response that 27 million was allocated to government through the Fiji Police Force, but the total paid out according to the formula that was derived came out to $25,864,394.29. Thank you.